Hey everyone, it's Malika and welcome back. So today's video we'll be doing an unboxing, and I got this very special package right here yesterday, and I was able to hold myself off from opening it even though I was itching to open it because it is something that I got and it's very special. It was a gift to myself, and I told myself, Malika, you gotta have to stop yourself and do a video about this because this is kind of special. So it's something that I ordered from Prada, and this is my very first order from them. I've never ordered anything from them before, and I have done my research just to make sure that I want this, like it's not an impulsive purchase or anything. So without further ado, let's get ahead and open this box up. So this is the box right here. Have not opened it up yet, so let's go ahead and do that. And I purchased this from Prada website, but the package itself was shipped to me locally from one of the store around where I used to live in Northern Virginia. It is a really big mall, and I do know that they have a standalone Prada store, I think. It's in Tyson's Corner too, I believe. So that's where the package is from. And if I could figure out how to open this, that would be awesome. Looks like they tape it up pretty darn good. So like I said, I have done my research before I got this bag, because I'm like, I need to make sure that this is what I really want because it's a lot of money. So I've done that already. Okay, I think I got it open. I don't know, I'm getting a little bit adrenaline rushing through right now. It's like, I'm getting too crazy for this. I can't open this. Okay, alright, so it's open. You guys ready for this? Because I can't. I just can't. Ta-da! It has this cute tissue paper here. Okay, I was hoping that I would get a box, but I guess no box is fine too. So here I got a super cute bag right here. It just says Prada, and it has a cute ribbon here. I don't know, why am I such a sucker for packaging? That's a good question. Okay, so in this envelope right here that came with the box, as a shipping label in case there's something wrong and I want to return it. And then there is a return policy that was attached to that. Was there not even a receipt? I wonder if the receipt is inside the bag. So I don't see anything else in here, so we'll put that aside for now. Okay. How do I want to do this? I think I'm going to untie the ribbon first. This is like, you know how when you're opening up a new shop, you have the cutting the ribbons kind of thing? So this is my cutting ribbons ceremony to myself. Untied! Honestly guys, I've never gotten anything from Prada before, so this is like a whole new experience for me personally. I'm going to keep this sucker. Alright, so they kind of seal it with a like a flat seal like this, and I don't know if I peel it off, would it rip my bag? I think it will. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut it. Right. Okay, I'm very careful right now, sorry. Okay, so the bags out. Here it's come in a dust bag. One dust bag right here. And then let's open this up. Did I even mention what bag I got? I did not, I don't think, because I want you guys to be excited and surprised just as me. Okay. Ta-da! Yes, I got my very own, what is this, 2015, no, not 2015, this is 2005 re-edition bag. I can't remember the exact name, so I'll have the name and the link of the bag down in this description box below, but here is what it looks like. So let me unwrap everything so we can see this. This is actually smaller than what I expected. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but that's okay. I'm a mini bag kind of gal. You know, after getting myself this bag, I'm good for buying for the year. I really should be good and not spending so much. I need to be careful. I'm very rough with my bag. That's why I'm glad this is a nylon bag, because then it could sustain the damage that I'm going to put this bag through, you know. Right, so there's more paper in here. There's another dust bag in here, and it looks like it's the chain that goes with the bag. If I can get the dust bag out. They really packed this bag really good. How am I supposed to get this out? Alright, got it out. So in here, is a little chain. Right there, and then this chain just going to get clipped to the back. Alright, so looks like I actually got 3 dust bags. So there's one right here, there's 2, and then 3 total. Take everything out, and in here I get the little RFD card that came with the bag, and then the authenticity card. So do I not get a receipt? I guess I did not. I mean, the receipt was in my email, so that's fine. I wonder what that is. Alright. Alright, I'm struggling. Can you tell? So here is the beauty. I'm actually going to have to fix this right here. Let me see if I can fix it right now, because do I do just like that? Yeah. So I think I got it right. So I'm not going to cut this tag just yet, just so I can get used to this real quick. So, ta-da! That's my new bag. There's nothing in here, so that is it, guys. That is all for the unboxing. I'm going to keep using this for a while and see what my thought on these. And then I'm probably going to do a full-on review for you guys. So let me know if you want to see a review. Just comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. But other than that, I'll go and enjoy my new bag and probably gonna go shopping soon. So yeah, thank you for tuning in today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Simply Savant. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.